All right, these are instructions for how to access Gmetrix if you forgot how to do that, because that's what we're going to be doing from here on out. So you need to access this program every day. You need to spend 45 minutes working through the modules. So here's what you need to do. You need to open up a new tab in Chrome. You need to type gmetrix.net and you need to log in. Okay, so some of you there's a few of you who were not here this week, and so you did not start a new test. The rest of you, if you've already gone through some of the questions with me in class, just hold on for 1 second. Okay, so you're going to click Start a New Test. Then you're going to click on Office 2016, and then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to click PowerPoint. And the first one we're doing is Skill Review. Now notice when you hover over, we're doing Skill Review 1 because there's a Skill Review 2 and a Skill Review 1. We're going to do Skill Review 1 and there's a training and a testing mode. You want to click on Training Mode, okay? And then you're going to click Open Gmetrix. Now remember, this is just if you have not started a test already. Okay, and that is going to open up your test. I'm going to get out of here and then I'm going to show you, if you've already started a test, how to access that test that you already started. Okay, so I'm going to close out of here and I'm going to go to tests over here in my, or actually you can start from a couple different places. I'm going to go to my dashboard and you should see in recent activity any tests that you've done. But you could also go to the test drop-down menu and you could go to saved tests. And then you should see your PowerPoint Skill Review 1 training. You can go ahead and click on that. And then open Gmetrix. Okay. And then here is, you guys have already done question 1. I think it started a new test for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do this as an example for everybody, and then I'm going to let you guys work on your other questions. All right, so here's the screen. Down below here is the question that you need to answer. Okay, it says change the page setup to have a custom size of 7.5 width, 10 height, and an orientation of the notes, handouts, and outline to landscape. Ensure the content fits the new slide size. So this may sound like gibberish to you. So how do you even answer this question, okay? Notice you're on question 1 of 40. You see this little light bulb over here. If you click on it, you will get a help screen. I'm going to move my help screen over just a little bit. And this gives you step-by-step instructions. So it says, number 1, the part in blue is just repeating the question down here. So number 1, in the Design tab, so I'm going to go up here to the Design tab and click on it. Pull this down just a little. Go to the Customize group. Okay, so these are groups here. So we have the Themes group, we have the Variants group, and then we have the Customize group. We're going to click Slide Size, and then it says, click the drop down for slide size, and then select Custom Slideshow. Okay, so now we have custom slideshow. I'm going to move it over here. Now number 2 says in the slide size dialog box, so that's where we're at, enter 7.5 for the width. So I'm just going to go to the width box. I'm going to backspace over the 10 and put 7.5. I'm going to click in the height box and I'm going to backspace over the height and I'm going to type 10. And then it says, and in the notes, handouts, and outline, so here's notes, handouts, and outline, check landscape. So I'm going to change it to landscape, and then it says click OK. All right, and then number 3 says, when prompted, you're scaling to a new slide size, so that's what this is. Click Ensure Fit. So I'm going to click Ensure Fit. Okay, so now I have finished all of my steps, so I'm going to click that box to exit out of here. And how do I check if I got it right? Well, I'm going to click the Next button down in the bottom right-hand corner. It says Accept Answer, Progress, and Navigate to Next Question. If you see this green check mark, that means you got it right. Okay, and then if you wanted to leave, you would hit Save. Otherwise, you're going to hit Continue. And it's going to bring you to question 2. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do question 2 with you. So the question is, use the new window to open the current presentation in a new window, and use the Arrange All tool to see all the open presentations. So if I don't know how to do this, I'm going to click the light bulb. And number 1 says in the View tab, so I'm going to go to the View tab, go to the Window group, okay, which is over here, and click New Window. And then go back to the View tab. We're on number 2 now. Go to the Window group, and then click Arrange All. Okay, so let's see if we got it right. I'm going to close my help screen. I'm going to hit Next. And I have my green checkbox, and I got it right. Now, let's say you have a red checkbox and you didn't get it right. No problem. You can just hit Retry, and it will bring you back to that question again, and you can try it again. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of here. So whenever you stop working, okay, so let's say you've worked your 45 minutes for the day, you're going to hit the Save button. And then it says, are you sure you want to save and exit the practice test? I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click OK again. And it should just bring you back to the Gmetrix dashboard, which you can just log out at that point. Okay, and then you're all set. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. And I also have the instructions. I posted written instructions on Edmodo, but I would like to try doing Google Meets every class period. So, because then if anyone has any questions on a specific question, Gmetrix question, I can go over that at that time. I will be giving points every day for you joining the Google Meet video conference. So please try to do that, and we're going to see how that works out for the first week. Have a great day.